Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the mic not working issue on Discord, whether you're using the Discord app or running it on your browser in Windows. This method works for all of them. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, let's make sure that Windows is actually letting Discord use your microphone. Go to your settings. Start menu, then settings. Now simply go to Privacy and Security. Now over here, simply scroll down until you find microphone right here. Now click on it. Now, firstly, make sure that microphone access is turned on, as you can see right here. Now, right below that, ensure both Let Apps Access Your Microphone and Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone are enabled, which you can see right here. And in any case, if you're using a browser to use Discord, make sure that the browser also has permission for your mic. So simply make sure of that, as you can see right here. Now for Chrome or any browser-based application, simply open the browser, go to your Discord, as you can see right here. Then click on this lock icon right here, and then simply click on the Connection is Secure option. Then click on More Information. If this panel appears, go to the Permission section, then scroll down to the bottom and see if Use Microphone is checked or not. And if it is checked, make sure it is set to Always Ask or Allow. Now let's check if the right mic is selected for Discord or not. So open your Discord. Then go to the gear option right beside your profile name. And over here, simply go to Voice and Video, which should be a little below, as you can see right here. Click on that. Now under Input Device, you also select your microphone manually. Okay, for example, my microphone is this one right here. And in your case, if you have a generic mic, it should be named as Realtek Audio or USB mic. So make sure to choose the right mic here. Click on this Let's Check option right here to test your microphone. And also make sure that the input volume is turned up. And as you can see, the mic is working just fine right here. So there are some times when Discord itself needs to be reset. So what you do is go to the settings and then go back to the same voice and video section. And over here, simply go to the debugging section right here, and then simply click on Reset Voice and Video Settings. And then once you click on that, confirm the setting, and then close Discord and reopen it again and see if the mic is fixed or not. Lastly, let me check your default mic in Windows itself. So right-click on the Start menu, then choose Run. Now over here, let me write this simple command, which you can see right here. Now over here in the sound panel, simply go to the recording section. Then over here, simply right-click on your microphone and then click on Set as Default. So the reason you're not seeing it is because it is already set as default. So let's say, for example, if I click on this, you will be able to see this option. So the mic is currently not connected. So currently you are unable to see this because the mic is not connected. But when your mic is connected, you can set the mic as default, as you can see right here. Now, once you've set that as default, click on that, then go to Properties. And over here, go to the Levels tab and make sure that the level is not muted right here. Make sure it is unmuted and it has 100% volume, as you can see right here. Now, let me click on OK. Then again, click on OK and Apply. So that's it. Your Discord mic should now be working smoothly, whether you're using the app or the browser. So, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching and take care.